Hello there. I've decided I want to do another reverse dip with my damp table napkin over a bottle bottom pour, and I'm going to do it in the Christmas colours. So my colours today, I've already got my favourite Jazz Art Byron white paint down as my base, and onto those I want to put the colours that are popular in New Zealand at Christmas time. We have a plant called a Poinsettia, which has the green leaves with the red centre, and it's very popular. It's our Christmas plant. And so I have got a metallic red. It has the gold metallic backing, and a metallic green also with some gold metallic in it. And of course I have the gold metallic, so I'm going to start with the gold and finish with the gold, and then put the other two colours in between. So I will be excited to see what sort of a result I get, and I'll start now. Well, I'm happy with what I've got. It certainly isn't what I intended, of course. I do struggle a bit with getting a proper flower shape. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I am happy with that because I love the colours in it. It's just so pretty. All the metallics and the colours have come out beautifully and vibrantly. So the Christmas effect is there, and I won't do any more fiddling around with it. I was going to do something with the centre, but I've decided to leave it because I think I would probably make it worse rather than better. So I'm going to bring it up now to the camera to show you what it looks like up in the light more. I'm so happy with the way the colours are so defined. It's really, really pretty, and if I had to name it, I would call it my Christmas spider flower because of the way the petals sort of extend out. So, and my little red dots in one corner, well, both corners. So that is it. That is my reverse dip for today, and I will be trying more Christmas colours in other paintings over the coming few weeks. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.